Okay, a very good morning to all of you and a very warm welcome. It was raining last week and it isn't now, so it's a good indication that we can have maybe good proceedings over the next 2 weeks. It's a pleasure indeed to be here and really come to the realization of our seminar, for which we worked for the better part of last year and some part of this year. And it all started off with our discussion with CODATA, the International Council for Science, the Committee of Data for Science and Technology, where we met Dr. Simon Hodson quite a few months back in our DA conference and at China. We got thinking that why don't we bring such expertise that we did a workshop in China to India, and then we started discussing about that and gradually thought why India will just expand the scope a bit and include it as Asian countries. So that was the basic thinking with which we started planning this workshop. We planned it for about 20 participants to be intensive 2-week training program, and it got a little bigger than 20 gradually. So that's what happened. So I'm very happy to be here. My name is Devika, and most of you have got mails from me, and this is the face behind those mails. And you can bother me for anything you want over the next 2 weeks. Okay? And my students are here for help, and they'll be all around the volunteers of this program. So with those few words, it's a pleasure to invite the dignitaries to the dais. Dr. Prithviraj, Dr. Arun Kumar Chakrabarti, and Professor Prasad. Kindly take the dais. Professor A.R.D. Prasad heads our center, which is called the Documentation Research and Training Center in Indian Statistical Institute, and he is the host from the Indian Statistical Institute for this workshop. I invite him for his welcome address.
Thank you, Dr. Devika. And on my personal behalf and on behalf of the Indian Statistical Institute and my unit Documentation Research and Training Center, I welcome you all for this workshop on big data. Okay. As Dr. Devika has briefly touched upon how we ended up with this workshop, we were attending the Research Data Alliance meetings in various parts of Europe. Then, as information scientists, we thought probably we have something to contribute to big data, rather big wave of the big data. Okay. Basically, we looked at it from, it's an interdisciplinary area where the domain experts, like in the context of remote sensing or earth sciences, then human genetics, e-government data, government data. So a lot of statistical data, the economic data, agricultural economics, a lot of data is there. In fact, we have another project called Agricultural Infrastructure, AgInfra, which was funded by European Commission, where also we are dealing with agricultural data. Okay. So that was, I think, these are the main two reasons.
Already told, we have with us two distinguished guests today, and the president of this inaugural session is Dr. M. Prithviraj, who is currently the executive secretary of the Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology. He's actually on deputation from DST and only for a short term in Karnataka now left. As Professor Prasad already said, at a very, very short notice, Dr. Prithviraj agreed to be with us, and I'm very grateful to you, sir. To introduce Dr. Prithviraj, who presides today, he joined the Department of Science as a scientist, Department of Space as a scientist at the Regional Remote Sensing Service Center at Kharagpur. and he was involved in various national missions, including dynamics of glaciers in the Himalaya, and he contributed to the mission document on National Mission on Sustaining Himalayan Ecosystem. He's actively participated in UNDP projects such as the GIS technology in local level development planning. So his academics, he has a degree from Bangalore University and a master's from Mysore University in Marine Geology, and he also taught at the Marine Geology department at Bangalore University. He also worked at the CES, Center for Earth Sciences Studies at Trivandrum, where he got his doctorate. And at present, Dr. Prithviraj is coordinating an industrial R&D program between Karnataka and Israel for development of commercially viable products and evolving a regional knowledge cooperation program. And he has to his credit several national and international publications. He is serving as a member on several committees at national and international level. He has undergone advanced training at ocean mining at Malta, at Germany, and also he has participated in research programs at Cape Town, University, Cape Town. So he said to be very brief. His CV is so long that I can read it for the better part of this program. So with this, I would like to welcome him. I request Ms. Samhati to kindly present Dr. Prithviraj with a memento as a token of our welcome. With that, I invite Dr. Prithviraj to deliver his presidential address.
Thank you, ma'am. Dignitaries on the dais, participants, a very good morning to all of you. And people who have come from outside Bangalore, a very warm welcome to Bangalore. It's really warm. So when Professor Prasad, he asked me to come over here, I told him I am not a big data man. Then he said, no, it's your program, and then in DST also there is a new division and all that. Then I had to agree. This big data, although it's a new terminology, we have all been associated in some way or other with most of its applications, even earlier. I happen to be working in a division called Natural Resources Database Management System while I was in the DST, and much before I worked for another program called National Natural Resource Management System, that is NNRMS. Both of them were dealing with a lot of data. A lot of data was getting generated. In the first program, the NNRMS program, we were using the satellite information to trace the land use, land cover changes, then forest changes and things like that. So enormous data was being used.
Arunda, actually, being very informal, and he is Dr. Arun Kumar Chakraborty, and Director General of the Rajaram Mohan Roy Foundation, Library Foundation. He is also the Mission Director of the National Mission for Libraries. India has started the National Mission for Libraries, and then he is our brand new Mission Director now. Prior to this, Dr. Chakraborty worked as a Chief Librarian of Bose Institute, Kolkata, and at several other organizations. He is a Fulbright scholar and visited several universities and institutes in the US, including the National Institute for Health at Maryland, US, and he also visited DRL, Virginia Tech. He visited University of California also and delivered several special lectures during that period. The recipient of the ILA Best Librarian Award for 2012, and he has really several programs and that he ran under his leadership. He has 55 plus research papers and also a guide to several MPhil and students. More than everything else, he is our alumni and was at here earning his master's degree when I just finished my first school. Okay, this was in 87, way back then. And he keeps that memory very green and associates with us very warmly. And you can see that he has already supported this program, and even though he has a very, very busy schedule, he made it a point to be with us. So, very warm welcome to our own Arunda. I invite Anvesha to welcome Dr. Arun Kumar Chakrabarti with a memento as a token of our welcome. I invite Dr. Chakrabarti to deliver the chief guest address.
Good morning to all of you. you.